In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coils on this Toyota Camry with the 2.5 liter 2AR engine. Let's get started. With the hood open, let's remove the engine cover if your vehicle has one. Simply pull up on it and it should pop off of the 3 pins that the grommets sit on. The process for all 4 will be exactly the same, so I'm only going to show you one of them. Let's do this first one and then I'll do the other 3. Press on this tab on the connector and wiggle the harness until it pops off of the ignition coil. Just like this. Set it aside. Get a 10mm socket and remove this bolt that holds the ignition coil down. If you have any debris around here, this would be the time to either blow it off with compressed air or use a vacuum and vacuum it up. Mine looks pretty good, so I'm just going to pull up on this ignition coil, and there it is. On the ignition coil, I like to put a little bit of dielectric grease or silicone paste right on the edges of this boot. What this is going to do is it's going to prevent the silicone boot from sticking to the spark plug after years of heat cycles, and it's going to ensure that it has a nice watertight seal. Take your ignition coil, slide it down, just like this. I'm going to plug it in while I'm at it. Make sure that clicks. Take this bolt, put it back in here, start it by hand, and let's bottom it out. Make sure it's nice and snug. After it bottoms out, just give it about 1/8 of a turn at most, and that should be perfect. Now you want to do the same to the other 3 cylinders. When you replace these, you want to do them all at the same time. You don't want to do just one cylinder. Having said that, I'm going to do the rest. Now take your engine cover. You'll see these 3 pins right here. They need to line up with these 3 bushings. Once it all lines up, press it down into place, turn the engine on, and make sure it runs smoothly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.